In this video, we're going to take a look at how data actions with Oracle DB canvases can allow us to get the values, for example, of this row of data, but also programmatically get access to any filters that have been applied to the canvas. So at the moment, we're looking at this canvas within Oracle Analytics, and I wanted to start here because if I go to the top right hand side menu and you can see data actions, you can see here that I have an action to send event. So this is of type publish event. The event name is event. We're going to pass all values and supports multiple selection is on. So what we're going to do now is jump into a web page where this canvas has been embedded, and we'll take a look at how we can use that event data action to get access to the values within that row, or it could be a data point on a visualization, and also get access to the filter values. So first of all, let's take a look at the section that we have here, event data action values from payload context, and I'll explain what that means in a moment. If I select a row and then do a right mouse click, I can see that I have this option to send an event. If I click on that, you can now see that the data points within that row have been sent to my web page where I've embedded the analytics canvas. So how does that happen? How can we do that? So if I bring up the browser developer tools for a moment, what you will see is that we have some code here where the event data action is being detected by a listener within our web page, and you can see that we have this total payload which is being sent to our web page. That payload consists of, as you can see, quite a lot of information, but it consists of fields which allow us to get the values of the data points. Now, if I add a filter to this canvas, so if I list some products here, and I'm just going to choose some from that list. So you can see my list of products is now a lot shorter than it was. If I then invoke another data action, so action to send event, you'll now see that the values for the product filter have also been sent to the web page. So what we've then done is, if we look at again our browser tools, we can see we have this payload, and again it's a lot of information, but within that payload there is some data which is sent using JSON, and within that JSON we can parse the information to get the filter values from that JSON, and the blog that you're reading will describe the sample code which will allow you to get those values. Now, in addition, we can also get values for these dashboard filters. So if I change this year to 2017, so my data changes, and if I click on the same row and do action to send event, you'll see that we now have the year include 2017. Now we have include because filters have this ability to include or exclude. So if I click on exclude and then go here, invoke the data action, you can see it says exclude. We also have visualization level filters. So here you can see I have region and south. So if I invoke the data action at this point, you can see that it now includes region and south. Sorry, it includes the regions east and south within that list of filters. So what we've seen is by defining an event data action on our canvas, we can get two sort of main bits of information from these event data actions. We can see the context from where we invoke that data action, and we can also get the values of filters that have been applied to that canvas. So this blog will describe the code and processes that are needed to be able to get access to that information.